and welcome to my course, How to Build a Blog. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey towards launching your blog. Here's an outline of what we'll cover in this course. By the end of this course, you'll have your very own platform to share your thoughts online. The best part is that you'll own your content. Unlike social media platforms that may change the rules tomorrow or go out of business, having your own website means you are in control. By choosing to build your website using the WordPress content management system, you're also opening yourself up to adding any features you like in the future. In Lesson 2, I'll explain why that's possible, and in Lesson 6, I'll show you how to pick the right features to add. Now, before we move on to the next lesson, I have some homework for you. I want you to take a few minutes to answer these questions about your future blog. Why do I want to start a blog? Writing out your mission statement is a great way to set a clear and solid foundation for building a blog. Are you hoping to inspire others and find community? Are you hoping to launch a blog to draw attention to your professional services? Are you hoping to create a space where you can send your YouTube fans, for example? Write out your mission so you're clear on what purpose this blog serves. Another way to look at this is to ask the question, what does success look like to me? Are you hoping to monetize your blog and eventually turn it into a full-time gig? Are you hoping to book more consultations or sell more products with a blog? Or are you hoping to simply build a space where you can journal daily and share it with your extended family? Picturing what success looks like can help you make decisions along the way as you're building your blog. The second question to ask yourself is, do I want to be the face of my blog, or do I want to have a blog identity? For example, my website, andreazollner.com, is my own personal space. It's my thoughts, it's my professional activities, and it's unmistakably my own. My travel blog, on the other hand, The Capsule Suitcase, is a different website where I have a blog identity. Yes, it's still from my point of view, but the blog is less about me and more about the topic, travel and packing for trips. If you go looking, you'll find examples of this all around the internet, including on YouTube. Some people vlog under their own name, and some people have channels with channel names that aren't their personal names, so channels about cars, fashion, and other topics. You don't have to make a decision right now, but it will help if you do by the time we get to Lesson 5, when it's time to customize your WordPress theme. The last question you should be thinking about is, how much money do I want to spend on my blog? You've already invested $50 in this course, so kudos to you for taking the step to start your blog right. And maybe you've already purchased a domain name and hosting, and really you're just looking to start and build your blog. There are ways to blog for free on the internet, but none of them will give you the same freedom and flexibility as purchasing your own hosting. Plus, there's usually a trade-off to using free platforms. It may be that the platform gets to display ads on your site, or that you don't get to pick your own domain. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before opting for any free platform. Now, does this mean that you have to spend hundreds of dollars every year on your site? No. You can get hosting that meets the needs of your blog for a few dollars a month. And you can choose themes and plugins that are totally free. Whether or not you want to invest in getting a custom logo made or want to choose a paid third-party plugin, more on that in Lesson 6, is totally up to you. And for those who want to start lean, there are plenty of ways to do that too. In summary, your homework before moving to Lesson 2 is to answer these questions. Why do I want a blog? What name do I want to give to my blog? And how much money do I want to spend on this blog? See you in the next video.